How did the bathtub ring, i.e., the Coconino Sandstone, form within the Grand Canyon strata? This sandstone has a thickness of 315 feet and it covers a visible area within the Grand Canyon of 200,000 square miles and extends across much of the U.S. Within this sandstone is an easily noticed feature that geologists refer to as crossbedding. Crossbedding is sands laid down at an angle or inclination from the horizon. Crossbedding can be the result of either water or wind. Sand grains are moved across the dune and tumble down the face of the dune. Research has shown that the desert dunes crossbeds have slope angle of 33 to 34 degrees, while underwater sand waves create crossbeds with a slope angle of less than 30 degrees. The Grand Canyon's Coconino Sandstone was made by water-deposited sand. Ocean currents, not violent desert winds, moved the sand and rapidly produced these crossbeds. Sand mounds produced in the laboratory were found to correspond to water depth, i.e., as the water depth increased, so did the sand dune height. Sand dune heights were generally found to be about 1/5 of the water depth. Water velocities were also found to affect sand dune characteristics. Using this data, the depth and velocity of the water responsible for creating the Coconino Sandstone crossbeds were calculated. Crossbeds with a height of 30 feet implying deposition of sand waves at least 60 feet high, water 300 feet deep, and a current velocity of 2 to 3.75 miles per hour. These current velocities would have to be sustained in one direction for days. The closest thing these conditions observed today is a tsunami. How appropriate for the Grand Canyon National Park authorities to call the Coconino Sandstone the bathtub ring because water from Noah's flood was what created this sediment. Psalm 29:3. The voice of the Lord is upon the waters, the God of glory thundereth, the Lord is upon many waters. March 10th, from Explore the World, Knowing God Exists by Observing Creation by Bruce Malone, Julie Von Vett, and Richard and Tina Kleiss.